Hello farmers, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be teaching you on how to start up a cockerel farm. Now please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop our new videos. Kindly like our videos and share. Now in today's video, I will be teaching you on how to start up a cockerel farm. Cockerel farm is one of the livestock which is poultry farm. It's one of the livestock that everybody are going into it due to food production or due to meat production. But to start up a cockerel farm, there are some steps that you need to take before you could start and run a successful cockerel farm. Now, one of the steps is information and communication. Information and communication is very, very important if you are thinking of starting up any type of agricultural business. First thing that you need to know is the information. You need to get information concerning the stuff that you want to start. You need to get all the information concerning it. After getting all the information, then you could start and run a successful cockerel farm. Number 2 is business plan. Business plan is very, very important if you are thinking on how to start up a cockerel farm. You need to sit down, strategize all your business plan. You need to know how much one cockerel could cost you. If you are thinking on starting up a cockerel farm, you need to know how much one cockerel could cost you. So you need to sit down, strategize all your business plan. Then after strategizing all your business plan, then you could start and run a successful cockerel farm. Why number 3 is building. Building has to do with building your house. You can build your house in 2 ways. You can build the battery case system. Battery case system are battery case system are the one that is required for the type of cockerel farm that they are thinking of starting. Battery case system is very, very important. The house is very, very okay for your poultry bed. If you are thinking on how to start up a cockerel farm, I'll advise you to build a battery case system house. Why? Or if you like, you can also build a wood one for your own cockerel. But the reason why I put them inside this carton is because they are still small. They are not yet big. So that was the reason why I put them into this carton for you to see. So when I bought them day old, but now they have completed 12 days now. So you can see how big they are. So if you are thinking on how to start up your own, you can buy them when they are day old. After day old, then after you have given them good feed, they will grow within the short period of time. Why number 3 is feeding. Feeding is very, very important. If you are thinking on how to start up a cockerel farm, feeding is very, very important. You can feed them good food. If you give them good food, they will grow within a short period of time. You can give them starter because they are still small. You cannot give them finisher now. You can give them starter or grower. It will help them to grow very, very fast. Why number 5 is harvesting of the cockerel. So cockerel, they grow within 1 year. Although it depends on the type of feed being given to them that will determine how quick and fast they will grow. So if you give them good feed, then you could start selling them whenever they have completed 1 year. You can start selling them because by that time they have already grown up. They will be big and they also look like the broiler. So you can start selling them when they have completed 1 year. Although it depends on the type of feed being given to them that will determine how quick and fast they will grow. If you give them good feed, then I think they can grow within 6 months. They will not even complete 1 year that I have already said. So give them good feed, they will grow and they will do it. Please kindly see them. So you can also see all the broilers now. So please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video. Kindly like our videos.